Hello all, here I am going to show you how to create classes or objects in Python. So let's start. Classes or object. Python is an object-oriented programming language. So almost everything in Python is an object with its properties and methods. A class is like an object constructor or a blueprint for creating an object. So start with our example. See here, create a class. I can comment out it. To create a class, use the keyword class. And always remember, the first letter of class is always be capital. Create a class named myClass with a property named x equal to 25. Print myClass. Print myClass. Save it and run it. See here, it shows the class, its main class, and the name of class is myClass. So close it. Now time for create an object in here. So I just delete it. Type here create an object. Comment out it. Now we can use the class named myClass to create an object. Create an object named a1 and print the value of x. So a1 equal to myClass. Print a1 dot x. Save it and run it. See here, it shows the value of x. We just call the class and print the value. Now come here again. For the function of class, the int function. To understand the meaning of classes, we have to understand the built-in function int. All classes have a function called int, which is always executed when the classes is being initiated. Use the int function to assign value of object, property or the other operation that are the necessary to do when the object is being created. So now see the example. Create a class named person. Use the int function to assign the value of name and age. So class person diff int underscore int in bracket self comma name comma age. Press enter. Self dot name equal to name. Self dot age equal to age. Now p1 equal to calling the class person in bracket ram comma 22 and print p1 dot name. Again print p1 dot age. Save it and run it. See here, it shows the name of person and age of person. Now come here again. See, I just select it and delete it. See again, class name equal to person, class equal to class person diff underscore int underscore in bracket self name comma age and press enter. Self dot name equal to name. Self dot age equal to age. Now in here we again type div my function self print hello, my name is for typing name just type plus self dot name. And type here p equal to call the class person in bracket Ram, comma 22. I just forget the comma. Type comma here and p1 dot dot my function. Save it and run it. See here, hello, my name is Ram. I just call the name and function. Thank you.